What's up guys, Python programmer here and welcome back to my channel to the third video in the AI Apps Challenge 2025. It's July, we're about halfway through the year and I'm excited to walk you through how things have gone so far. This is basically the mid-year review. We've covered some amazing ground from document converters and cover letter writers to job ad generators, and I'll be showing you the current progress on the July app as well as the completed versions of the April, May and June projects. Oh, and there's a bonus. As I previously mentioned, my uni friend Rayees has been building his own versions of the apps alongside me, and I'm going to be showing his demos and going through them today as well. So let's dive in. April, I built the AI document extractor and converter. I did show the in progress version last time. So now it's completed. It's a powerful web app that takes Word, PDF, and text files, and it can extract the structured data like names, addresses, dates, and more. Uses intelligent mapping logic, regex matching, that's regular expressions, and customizable configurations to process documents and export clean outputs in different formats. Okay, so now I'm going to quickly show the code for the April project and the final version of the code to quickly scroll through. As per usual, is on the GitHub repository, of course. All the code, all the updated versions are all uploaded to there. If you check it, the link is in the description. As per usual on these videos. And so now we're going to run it. The AI document extractor and converter, the project for April 2025. And so this is the home screen of the project, the web page. You see you've got like different options then for converting. So first to upload the document, just use one of the Medium articles we have saved as a Word doc we wrote. Then we give an output file name. You choose these different options. Custom placeholder text. It's empty. Page range all. Output formatting. Let's do default formatting. We upload and convert. Now we've got the extracted text here. We do the different options. We haven't put anything in there yet. That table got reset. That's then the completed version of the April project. The AI document extractor and converter. This was the AI cover letter writer, a new version. Obviously, I did make one last year in Tekinter, but this is a new web app version, and this one's designed to generate high quality tailored cover letters from a user's CV and a job description. Showing the code now. Just quickly running through. This is for the May project now, the AI cover letter writer, new version. This is with more customization options, and like you put in your full CV then, or you could put it in separately, the different sections. How we run it. It's the app. First, to create our profile. Then we're going to try and upload our CV, but unfortunately it still doesn't work. I thought we fixed that, but we've also got these boxes where we can add you paste just text from our CV or like a summary of our skills, experience, stuff like that, and then you'll process it with AI and fill in the form. Then you see there is put all the skills there. We just quickly go and change the proficiencies to reflect the actual ones because can't really get the proficiencies from what we put. We just assumed a lot of the stuff then. And so then we fill out the other sections such as education. We can put our current degree that we're studying university there, 2023 to 2026. That should fill that out. Change the dates as well, so it's September 2023 and March 2020, May 2026 when we should finish then. Experience as well. The job details screen, so we saved our CV details. We want to enter job title first. For example, software engineer, you can do some software solutions. We don't have a job description that we can upload and paste it in the box. Then got a job description here from the AI job ad generator that we're gonna paste in now. Head of HR. We made this year with the do project, but there was this internal server error. We come back now and we've got the cover letter, but apparently didn't use the CV details. I don't know what's up with that. Last time I checked, it was using the CV details, but we can give feedback and um, regenerate the cover letter possibly here. We're just gonna save it. And here's the saved cover letter. It's in markdown format. Maybe you can change that so that it actually is formatted properly. You can see it formatted, but then we can copy it to clipboard. Download by PDF. Yeah, we didn't actually implement that in the time we were doing this project. We go back to the generate letter page and we find the letter, but I don't think that fully works either. All the way back, all our details are there. We saved them. No, I don't think he used the CV details this time. Got some previous letters there, we can view them. This one also didn't use our CV. Cover letter copied to clipboard. If we go in a blank notepad now, we can paste it there. You can see it was definitely copied. And so yeah, that's the AI cover letter right there. Then came June and I flipped it around with the AI job ad generator. This one helps employers and recruiters generate job postings using all the different options then. And so now showing the code for the June project, the AI job ad generator. So we've got all the methods here. These are the utility methods, then including the AI. And then there's the roots here, the main web page methods. We got quite a few different stuff here, all to do with the job ad then. We've got models, which are the database, connection tables and stuff, SQL. Then we've got forms as well, which are shown on the front end. That connects the form to backend. That's the initiation of the app. And so here it is on the website. This is way more user friendly, and yeah, we definitely didn't have as many broken features or unfinished business on this one like in the May project. I don't know why how there was so much stuff that wasn't like fully done on the May project, but we'll have to go back and fix that afterwards then. But so here is we put in the job role information now. We create a profile. And so I've copied some information from a test I did. We change it a bit, change it up a bit now. But it'll be for like an AI researcher internship or like organization then in the AI and data science department. We're saying the location fully remote then, and salary 2,000 per month would be decent for an internship. There we've got minimum education for a university student, Microsoft AI Fundamentals certification, something that we did, add that in. And key job responsibilities we copied in 3, we separate them out now into the different boxes. We got 3 boxes there for the, we can add more of course. And the specific experience needs to be the working towards a degree, related degree then. And you can continue required skills. We're only going to put 1 here because just like your internship for university students, but you could add as many as you wanted then. Using add required skill. One thing though to notice here is that the CSS formatting I think needs to be improved a bit. That's really the only downside of this one, I think. We'll paste in the preferred skills here. We can add them, and then there's an X there at the top right of that box. We can use that, and then we paste it in again, the same one. Not as many as you want, and remove them and stuff. Trying to find that skill is that one, yeah. Bring ideas that can benefit them. Let's do the same up there with the required skill. Desired personality traits, we put that in one box. Pasted them separately. Something we should have done for the copy them even. So these are like the different personality traits and made up ones that we could have for this job. Then about a company, small startup, selling software. Then diversity and inclusion statement, just a one-liner. The AI can expand on that. When it does, then the application process, we will change that a bit. So we put in-person interview. This will be a remote interview then instead for this version of the job. Online as per Teams meeting. And then we've got like a website link, which is obviously made up. That link doesn't actually exist, although we do have the domain. Then generate job ad. And there is the job ad, quite quick that was. And we've got it's in markdown formatting, but everything is there that you'd want in the job ad about the organization, key responsibilities. I just put stuff more into context. Requirement, currently studying degree, no prior professional experience, because we put 0 in there before. Skills and preferred and personality traits, etc. What we offer. Then we can save it as a template as well, but we're not going to do that this time. Before we didn't put a template name as well. Application process, then diversity inclusion, yeah. Save job ad, you can do feedback as well. And if you go into my job ads, it's there. Previous ones that we made didn't save while testing, so it's good to see that one's there now. That feature's working. Download PDF. That is working, I think, in this one. Copy to clipboard is working, of course. That's kind of easy. And here's the PDF. We actually haven't seen this before. This is quite a cool feature. It even tells the generation day, and we can paste it into a notepad as well. The job ad, and so that's the AI job ad generator. And now the in development July project, the AI speech to text app, including voice commands. Then the goal here was to build a smart voice assistant. We can transcribe live meetings, pre-recorded audio, live streams up to 1 hour, and provide an AI-generated summary of what was discussed. And there's also voice training and voice command recognition. Okay, I'm taking so long with this video that the July project is almost finished. This is the code for it, the main app method, and then we've got the forms, as I mentioned before, the front end forms, linking them to the back end. That's what those do. Then Gemini prompt, which, yeah, the Google AI libraries have changed as well, so we've got to adjust for that as well now. And voice methods are the bulk of the code in this behind the scenes, because it's, yeah, speech to text, text to speech, speech to text. And so we'll run it now. Okay, and so here's the app. This looks more user friendly like the last one as well. We've got different section headers then, and with those buttons at the top you can navigate to the different sections. Then as you can see there, we go back to the top section, then record audio. But for this one we're just going to upload a file. We've just done a text to speech quick one and generate like an AI transcript trend for that. So audio is now uploaded and we've got an AI summary preview, the transcript there as well. We quickly go through the AI summary, conversation overview there, person A and B, school start time, school end time, main topic, key points made. It's actually summarized it really good. I think what I could get out of the transcript, then agreements or disagreements, overall tone and outcome, then talking about the school day that the test recording was, and we got a full transcript there if you go to export management then. But unfortunately export txt, export json don't work as of yet. And we press generate summary. I don't know if that's gonna work. We wait for a bit. It says that it is gonna, but I don't know if it's got like a current one then. View it again. Obviously the export current ones don't work either then. And we can't delete that, but we cancel for now. Yeah, it looks like the AI summary isn't gonna work. So anyway, that was what we've done so far, almost finished of the AI speech to text app. Then we delete that and we show the progress in the next video then. Now let's talk about Rayees. He's taken a slightly different path than with his challenges, and he's mostly, as you might have seen in the first one, he's mostly been building them using the Django framework rather than Flask as I have. However, coming back to this later, so I was aware that he had a foot injury from football, I think it was, but he's recently now informed me while the production of this video has been going on that he won't be able to provide the demos for his projects because he hasn't been doing them as much. The injuries impacted the AI Apps Challenge way more than he originally thought, and so unfortunately he won't be continuing. I wish him a speedy recovery, and maybe he comes back on the channel at a later time, maybe next year or something. But as of the latest, he won't be continuing the AI Apps Challenge. He won't be featured in any more of the videos then. And he hasn't provided me with any of his projects since then. Unfortunate, but that's how it happened. That's the state of play at the moment then. 6 apps down, 1 in progress, and a whole lot more to go. I'm learning loads with each build, and it's amazing to see how far things have come in just 6 months. Big shout out to all of you for following along. If you want to explore the code, obviously each project has its own folder in the GitHub repo that I mentioned before. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you next time when we with the next review. We'll have the July project completed, September and August and September projects, and maybe the halfway through the October or something like that then. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.